Hey everyone, thanks for choosing to watch another one of the videos. As you would have guessed by the title, today's video is a quick recap of the results of this catch can that I installed about a month ago. The video is on the channel. I'll link it down below and it'll be in the end credits, I guess. So please do consider subscribing. It helps the channel grow a lot and I would be very appreciative. I'm not going to beat around the bush, just going to get right to it. I did undo the catch can and this is the results of what I saw inside. I guess there's quite a bit of blow-by, and I guess that's normal with these types of engines. This one I do understand is a multi-port injection engine, so it's not terrible or not as bad as the GDI, but what I'm worried about is those little particles at the bottom, so I guess I'll have to keep monitoring it and see what happens. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for choosing to watch. Please do consider subscribing and sharing with anyone else that you think may appreciate this one.